Do you even Mardi Gras, bruh? What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and if you haven't noticed, today is about Mardi Gras, where people throw beads and have fun parties and wear masks like mine. Time to hack your world. So, you might be wondering what this is. No, it's not a jellyfish. It's a parade parasol. But wait, there's more. If I can turn it on. Look at that. In traditional Mardi Gras attire, parasols are very important. If you don't parasol, do you do Mardi Gras? I feel like I'm a hermit crab. Embracing the hermit life. For this DIY, you'll need a clear umbrella, fabric, gold fringe, and a string of LED lights. First, open the umbrella and set it down, belly up. Don't worry, no bad luck here. Now start spiraling the lights on the inside, wrapping them to the umbrella spokes. Then add your gold fringe. Start by gluing it to the umbrella and then trim. You want to use a low heat glue gun because otherwise you might melt the umbrella, guys. This is Mardi Gras, so you can add tons of decorations. I'm cutting some fabric into fringe and taping it underneath. Next, I'm adding some purple fuzzy fabric to the top. Like a little toupee. Finally, I'm adding some purple polka dots with double stick tape. Ta-da! Where's the parade? I'm singing in Mardi Gras. I'm singing in Mardi Gras. Oh, too soon. So do you remember on my New Year's episode that I had those little confetti poppers that I was like, New Year's? No. These are confetti cannons. That times 10. We're just gonna fill up these with adorable little masks. Maybe a little bit from the floor. When I say it's all over my floor, I'm not kidding. Ready to kick the Mardi Gras off with a bang! Oh, that was not a bang. Kick it off with a bang! Oh no. Yeah! Oh no. Shoot. Oh no. Well, I think that maybe these don't work. Granted, it's a very long barrel, and my little poppers were like that big. And this is only really fit for a small cannon. Just because things fail doesn't mean you should stop. Make that a quote. GoldieBlox. Fails really help you learn, because even though this is too long of a barrel, maybe we could try a bigger balloon, or I don't know, something with more kickback, or a thicker barrel. There's so many different options you could try. Comment down below if you've tried this out and it works. And don't let fails scare you away from hacking and living your life, girl. Well, it was worth a shot. For this DIY, you'll need toilet paper tubes, duct tape, balloons, rubber bands, tissue paper, and confetti. Since we learned the shorter tubes work better for this, let's try a modified version of my New Year's Eve confetti poppers. Check out that video if you haven't seen it. First, let's make the catapult. Now, decorate the tubes with Mardi Gras colors. Finally, add your confetti. Cover the open end with tissue paper to hold everything in. We're ready to launch! Happy Mardi Gras! Okay, let's move on. And for the final hack, we have a bendy cuff. These look like they're like, you know, those slap bracelets that are like, but they're not. They're like popsicle sticks. And you're probably like, how are you bending popsicle sticks? Well, science. Well, yeah, science. So basically you steam the wood and you drop them in some hot water so they get like very flimsy and flexible. Because if you tried to bend this, it's a goner. And then you form it around a cup and it literally dries that way. Because you probably wonder like, how are boats wooden, but they're like rounded? They basically just steam wood and they like bend them and it stays there and it's so cool. And if you haven't noticed, the official colors of Mardi Gras are green, purple, and gold. And there's a meaning for each of them. So purple stands for justice, green stands for faith, and gold stands for power. Because I'm all of these things. Justice, faith, and power. I've got the power. Bring out your inner Amazon. For this DIY, you'll need popsicle sticks, a cup, tongs, and glitter pipe cleaners. Start by adding the popsicle sticks to boiling water and leave them for 15 minutes. There's teeny little fibers in the wood that hold it together really tight, and when it sits in water, the fibers get weak. Next, bend the popsicle sticks into a cup. This will help keep the shape as the wood dries and the fibers firm up again. Let them dry for 24 hours. Now we get to decorate. Oh yeah, looking good. So which DIY was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Mine was definitely the parasol. I mean, it's beautiful, and I love umbrellas. Make sure to give my video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday. And if you're into like #early_squad, you should totally turn on my notifications because you get notified every single time I post. And the weekly Goldie shoutout goes to Gapster. What's up, girl? Thank you so much for watching. That's all I have for you guys today. GoldieBlox is Mardi Gras out.